I know we're always looking for more storage in our kitchens. There is never enough. So these are so handy. They hang on the back of the door. So it closes inside the cupboard, but it's on the back to have to put extra things in. We actually use it for paper plates. And we have one in another cupboard where we put our dishwasher tabs and that kind of little accessories, your dishwash liquid. They are so convenient. As you can see, it's very deep and it's wide. So it can fit quite a lot in. It's out of the way. It just hangs on here. It comes with little screws and you screw it in place so it doesn't move side to side. It's perfect in place all the time. I don't think you'll be sorry. Like I say, we've got in a few behind cupboard doors. Very handy. And things stack away and out of the way.